Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're in Gander. We're in a little spot here now. We just dropped in, and there's airplanes and jets. Okay, it's a museum. Just a little museum here, telling you about the history and stuff like that. This here is a nice sized jet. I say she can go, huh? Oh boy, it's a two-person jet. That one is, and this is what she can do. Yeah, yeah, that's what she can do. She can do 17,000 feet per minute. Oh boy. Yep, that's going. Boy, she's tall. Holy moly. Oh, that's cool sticker up there. Hey guys, will you be able to roast a marshmallow or a wiener right here, I wonder? When, when when she kicks in the turbo there now, when the flames jets out of her. Just step back right there, right? Put a wiener or a marshmallow. Would it turn it? Would it turn your marshmallow brown? I wonder. I wonder would it turn your marshmallow brown? I think it would. Oh, see guys, if you don't understand, this here closes. The middle of those flaps here, they comes up like that, and the farther they comes in, the more pressure she throws out, the faster she goes. That's the way jet works. All that there, that retracts. That retracts all that, and that can close in. And the faster she goes, guys, you ever wonder what's up here? We're gonna visit that one after, the little tiny one. You ever wonder what's up under a wing in these? Look, that's what's up under the wing. Now you guys knows what's under. Now you guys knows. I always wonder what's up under a wing. Well, oh my God. Oh, you imagine though, I say she'll burn you right here. She kicks in. Awesome. A lot of wind, like always. Guys, I can finally say I had my hand on the jet. Huh? Yeah. I can say I had my hand on the jet, and she probably killed so many people. This jet probably shot down so many airplanes before she retired. She probably shot down so many planes, it's unbelievable. Look at all the rivets. Oh, thousands and thousands. Unreal, isn't it? Huh? Oh, my son. All right, I'm gonna I'm gonna stop the video here, and I'm gonna make up a video of each plane. Okay. So next one now you're guys are gonna next one now you're gonna see this one. Oh. Next one you guys are gonna see that one over there. Alright? So I'm going to take you around and show you that one. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you all. Bye.